Greetings, beautiful magical souls. Welcome to Day 4 of our Witchy Challenge. Today, we're crafting a potent protection charm to shield you from negative energies. Let's weave some protective magic. First, gather your materials. You'll need a small black pouch or sachet, a piece of black tourmaline, 3 cloves of garlic, a pinch of salt, a sprig of rosemary, a small piece of paper, and pen. Now, let's begin our crafting ritual. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Take 3 deep breaths to center yourself. On your piece of paper, write your intention for protection. It could be something like, I am shielded from all negative energies. As you write, visualize a glowing bubble of white light surrounding you. Next, hold the black tourmaline in your dominant hand. Close your eyes and imagine your protective energy flowing into the stone. Say, with this stone, I am grounded and protected. Now, take the cloves of garlic. Garlic has been used for protection for centuries. As you place them in the pouch, say, evil forces be gone, protection surrounds me from dusk till dawn. Add a pinch of salt to the pouch. Salt purifies and creates boundaries. As you sprinkle it in, say, pure and strong this charm shall be, protecting me for all to see. Finally, add the sprig of rosemary. Rosemary wards off negative energies and promotes clarity. As you place it in the pouch, say, Rosemary, herb of protection true, keep me safe in all I do. Fold your intention paper and place it in the pouch. As you tie it closed, visualize sealing your protective magic inside. Your protection charm is now complete. Carry it with you, place it by your bed, or hang it near your front door. Remember to recharge it under the full moon each month. Magical beings, you've just created a powerful talisman of protection. May it serve you well in your journey through this realm and beyond. Don't forget to share your charm creations using the hashtag Witchy Challenge. Until tomorrow, blessed be.